Hey, it's Mr. Tavio here, talking about blogging 102. So our vocabulary of the day is plagiarism, taking someone else's work and passing it off as your own, right? So what? Blog 102, how, our agenda, look at plagiarism. We're going to look into WordPress, and we're going to get our first blog post on it. Why? Because this is a great way to test you guys, and since you're the 8th grade class, we're going to get after it, and we're going to make sure that this looks great. So rules to avoid plagiarism. Cite your source, right? Put it in quotes, but then have your source. That's a hyperlink, right? So you click on it, it opens up a website. And that's that little lock button that you usually see. So you can use hyperlinks or just actually putting parentheses and citing your source. So what do? You go to WordPress.com. You're going to get logged in using your school email address. I think it's login with Google, just like EduTyping was back in the day. You're going to press right. And then you're going to include a category for my pre-existing categories and put 3 or more tags. This is like hashtag Hurricane Sally, right? So you put Hurricane Sally in, it creates a hashtag. You must include a featured image. You hit select. You can upload one that you want. They also have a bunch of stock photos in there. So if it's a hurricane, type hurricane, see what you get. Turning in your work, you're going to press that publish button, right? And I'm going to show this video because it shows that you can be silly like Carl Zeus, but also talk about real topics, right? So again, how are we going to grade this thing? The article must have a feature image, a secondary picture or video, a link called the citation going back to like whatever article or song or whatever you used. The category must be selected and the tags. If you don't have the 3 paragraphs, you're going to be lucky if you even get a 50%, but 50% would be the minimum, right? 3 to 5 sentences each per paragraph. Turn it in on WordPress.com today. All right. Hope you guys have a great day.